Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Samreen's Diary. In today's video, I will give a review of HiBREW coffee machine and do unboxing. And before starting this video, please subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet and give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to press the bell icon. It's time for unboxing. The box contains manual which is in different languages and you have to read it before using this machine, and a thank you note. Machine packaging was very good. It was very safe and secure. Every item was in its place. In this machine, a milk frother pitcher doesn't include it, so I ordered it separately, and it was really awesome because it is stainless steel and it got a HiBREW machine logo and measurement inside. In this machine, one portafilter is included and two pressurized filter basket. One is 2 cup and one is for 1 cup. In water tank, the other pressurized filter for 1 cup was there with scoop and a tamper. I was really excited to try the coffee, so I right away went market to buy coffee, but unfortunately the coffee counter attendant was not there. So I checked the coffee section. There was lots of collection of coffee. One side was fully dedicated for the pots coffee, the other one is for beans and grounded coffee, and last section is for instant coffee. I choose Lavazza Rosa with intensity 5. Let's try this. Here comes the review of coffee, how I make it. This is a pitcher for 12 ounce and 350 ml. Very good quality of a pitcher. 2 pressurized filter. This is a scoop with tamper. 1 portafilter. If you put basket in it and flip it over, the basket will come out quickly, so you have to use this clip on when you dump the coffee out from it. This is ejectable tray. If you want to use big cup, you can eject it. This red indicator button will show that your basket is full with the liquid because it will pop up. From left to right, this is a single shot, double shot, power button, manual stop and on, and the steamer. This is a frother. It is only moved back and forth and with a rubber grip. This is a steamer control nozzle. This is a water tank. It is ejectable. You can eject it with the water in it. Take it to the tap and fill it. This is a maximum level, this is a minimum level, and put it back. I filled water to maximum level, as you can see. The plug is UK plug. Using this Lavazza Rosa with intensity 5. This is my first time trying it. When machine is on, it blinked purple, and when we start it, it's starting blinking blue. It means water is getting warm for the coffee. When this blinking stops, it means it's ready to use. It will take 2 minutes to warm it before you can use it. You can put cups on the top of the machine to get warm. As you can see, the blinking has stopped. It means that your machine is good to go. For first time using it, I want to clean from the inside, so I'm putting one bowl and running it without coffee. Single shot. This sound means the chosen action has been done. Machine is clean from the inside. Now I'm going to make coffee. I'm taking portafilter, putting 2-cup basket in it, and I will fill 1.5 scoop of coffee. Using this for tamping coffee. Don't put too much pressure and don't do too much lightly. Make it even. Fit it in a machine. Slightly tight it. Place your cups. And I'm using double cup shot. Again, still it means it is ready to use again, but I'm not using it. I'm going to start the steam. This blinking means the steamer is getting ready. I have taken 250 ml milk. I'm removing the portafilter and cups. When the blinking stops, it means that frother is ready to use. The blinking has stopped, it means we can use it. Putting my milk frother in the steamer and increasing temperature from the side nozzle. As you can hear, the steamer is working. When the milk is frothed, I remove the pitcher from the steamer nozzle and clean it with the damp cloth first, because the milk will stick, and using this water bowl to clean from the inside. We will clean the machine the same way we clean before start using it. Now machine is cleaned from the inside. Use damp cloth to clean and put it aside after shutting it down. You can remove the nozzle from the steamer and clean it from the inside too. Check the consistency of the espresso shot. Very creamy, texture is very good. Now I'm making it a cappuccino. I'm not a professional barista, so I cannot make any design. delicious coffee is ready to serve. It is very good in texture, taste, each and everything was good. If you are a coffee lover, so give it a try. You can buy this machine. It is highly recommended from my side, and up till now I didn't face any problem from it or complain. It is a complete and detailed review and unboxing of HiBREW coffee machine. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will not miss any my new video. See you next time with a new video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.